Hello everyone and welcome once again to OB Learning Hub. Why the need to customize your workbook, mainly your ribbons, your menu tab and your quick access toolbar? It becomes essential when you use certain tools or commands in your workbook repeatedly for your day-to-day analysis and calculations. And so rather than moving from one tab to another to access or use them, they can just be one click or one tap away. Let me show you what I mean. So first, you can customize your quick access toolbar by simply clicking on this drop down button over here, and from the drop down list that appears, you can click to select any command of your choice to be included on your quick access toolbar. So let's say you like to have email included, you simply click on it, and as you can see, it has now been included on your quick access toolbar. You can also remove it by coming back again, then you click on the email for it to be removed. And in the case there is a command or group of commands you like to add but can't find them here in the drop down list, there is no need to worry. You can always go to more commands. Then from this pop-up menu that appears, you can see a whole list of other commands you can choose from, or you can choose to add to your quick access toolbar. So let's say you like to add the sum command, simply click on it. Then you click on the add button over here for it to be included in your quick access toolbar. And let's say you like to have the paste command also, you simply click to add it to your quick access toolbar. You can also remove them by selecting it, then you come to the remove button over here, you click on it and it will be removed. So we like to have it, we like to have the paste command, so we'll simply add it back. And also you can change the location or position of any command on your quick access toolbar. So let's say you like to have the save command at the beginning of your quick access toolbar. You simply select it, then using this up and down arrow, you can move the save command up or you can move it down. We would like to have it up, so we simply move it up. So as you can see, the save command now appears at the beginning of our quick access toolbar. So this is how you can customize your quick access toolbar. And if there is a case you like to also separate these two commands, the save and the turn auto save on and off from the rest of the other commands, you can always use the separator, which can be found under the popular commands. So as you can see, there's a separator here. So let's say I would like to have the save and the turn auto save on and off separated from the rest. I'll simply click on the turn auto save. Then I'll come to the separator, click on it, then go to the add button, click on the add button. So as you can see, a line has now been added to my quick access toolbar. So it means I have separated these commands from the remaining commands. So this is how you can also customize your quick access toolbar to suit your preference so that working in your Excel workbook becomes easier for you. And as said in the introduction, you can also add your own menu tabs. So you can do that by coming to the customize ribbon, and as you can see your menu tabs over here. So in the case you like to remove any menu tab from your ribbon or your Excel workbook, all you need to do is to uncheck it. So I'll simply like to remove the review and the page layout. I'll uncheck it and I'll add the developer. So I'll check it and add the draw. I'll check it. And also the main thing is to add our own tab, our own personalized tab. So we can do that by simply clicking on the new tab down over here. And as you can see, a new tab and a new group has been added. So as good practice and for easy identification, you will have to rename it. So you can do that by either right clicking on it with it selected, then you go to rename, or you can always come down over here to the rename button over here, then you type in the name of your choice. I would like to rename this to quick, so I'll simply type it quick. Quick. And you can either press the OK or the enter key. So as you can see, our tab has been renamed and we would like to rename the group also. So I'll rename it to Man U, Manchester United. Manchester United, Man U, and you simply press the OK. So as you can see, now our own menu tab, our own group has been included. So we can add our own set of commands by simply, with it selected, I'll come over here. I would like to add the all chart types. I'll simply click on it, then I'll add it. Then I would like to add the sum. Click on it, then I'll add it. Then I would like to add I would like to add the subscripts. I'll add it. I'd like to add the superscript and I'll add it. And the last one, I would like to add the free space. Where is it? Free space, and I'll add it. So as you can see, I have created my own menu tab, my own group, so that anytime I want to work with them, I don't need to move from one tab to the other to select them to work with them. And if you like to effect all these changes from the quick access toolbar through to the customized ribbon as to what we've done so far, you can always click on the OK button. But in the case you don't like the appearance of your Excel workbook, maybe you don't like the theme, the color, you can always go to General, and over here, you can also change even the font of your Excel workbook. So let's say you like to have the Times New Roman, you can simply click on this drop down button over here. Then you can always search for the Times New Roman, as you can see it as well, and you press enter. Then if you want to change the font size also, you can change it also. So I like to change it to 12 for now. So 12. And as usual, if you want to change the office theme, you come over here to the office theme, and currently it is using the system setting. So I would like to change it to dark gray. I'll simply click on the dark gray. So this is how you can customize your Excel workbook. And as usual, simply click on OK to effect these changes. So as you can see, he said I should restart it. So I'll simply click on the OK, then I'll close and I'll restart it again. So I'll simply open my Excel workbook again. So as you can see, these changes has been effected. Now my font has been changed. The font size has also been changed. So anytime I open my Excel workbook, this will remain the same unless I change it again. And with the changes we effected, now the save button or the save command appears first, and now this is the separator. It separates these commands from the rest. And also I added my own tab. So this it over here, the quick, and also as you can see, the menu group, and you can add as many tabs as you want. I going through the same procedure, and I removed my page layout and my review tab also, and I added the developer and draw. As you can see, all these changes have been effected. And another way of doing it is by simply going to the file tab over here, and you can always go to the options. And as you can see, it will appear over here for you to effect your changes. Or another way is by also coming to the ribbon and you right click on anywhere in the ribbon, then you go to customize the ribbon. And as you can see, this pop-up menu will appear over here for you to effect any changes you want. And also, if you'd like to add not just a command, but a group of commands to your quick access toolbar, you can right click in the ribbon where the group is found. So let's say I would like to add the sales group. I'll simply come to where it is found. I'll right click. As you can see, add to quick access toolbar. I'll simply click on it. And as you can see, it has been added to my quick access toolbar. So let's see. So this, as you can see, they've all been added. You can also remove it by simply coming over here, then you right click, then you go to remove from quick access toolbar. And also, one thing I would like to also share with you is you can also change even the location of your quick access toolbar. So let's say you like to have your quick access toolbar below your ribbon, you can simply use the drop down button again. Then you go over here to the very downmost part of the list. You can see show below the ribbon, click on it. So as you can see, my quick access toolbar has now been moved down or below my ribbon. You can always send it back also to above the ribbon. And if in case your ribbon is occupying, or to you, your ribbon is occupying your workspace and you like to free it up a bit, you can always collapse your ribbon also by simply right clicking on anywhere in your ribbon, and you can collapse the ribbon. Or another way is by coming to the very end of your ribbon, and with this up arrow button over here, you click on it. As you can see, your ribbon has been collapsed. And if you like to have them back, you can click on any menu tab, and as you can see, your ribbon has appeared again, and you can pin them back by coming to the pin button over here at the very end of your ribbon again. Then you click on it. As you can see, your ribbon has been pinned back again. So this is how you can customize your Excel workbook. You can create your own menu tabs. You can add more commands to your quick access toolbar so that navigating your way, moving around your Excel workbook becomes easier, and executing your works in Excel becomes way more efficient for you. Thank you very much for your time, and see you again in my next video. Well, was that very helpful? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Until next time, it's bye for now.